Are you looking for the best cheap 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best cheap 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. ELEGOO Centauri Carbon 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Centauri Carbon is a high-speed Core XY 3D printer designed for both beginners and advanced makers, offering a 256 by 256 by 256 mm build volume and print speeds up to 500 mm per second with 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration. Equipped with a hardened steel nozzle that reaches 320 degrees Celsius, a heated bed up to 110 degrees Celsius, and a fully enclosed chamber with ventilation and filtering, it supports a wide range of materials including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, ASA, and carbon/glass fiber composites. The printer features fully automatic calibration, a dual-sided flexible magnetic PEI build plate, and a built-in camera for remote monitoring, alongside a 4.3 touchscreen, USB, and Wi-Fi connectivity. Reviewers praise its fast setup, ease of use, strong dimensional accuracy, and impressive performance for its price. However, some limitations include dim internal lighting, a basic monitoring camera, firmware quirks, occasional early unit quality control issues, and the absence of an actively heated chamber, which may limit extreme material use. Overall, it's considered a powerful and affordable option for users seeking speed, versatility, and reliability in a mid-sized 3D printer. Number 2. 2025 New Version Creality. The 2025 Creality Ender 3S1 Pro is a refined FDM 3D printer that combines performance and usability. It features a build volume of 220 by 220 by 270 mm, approximately 8.66 by 8.66 by 10.63 inches, and is equipped with a Sprite direct drive extruder, allowing more precise and reliable filament feed, especially for flexible materials. It includes CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling, reducing manual bed calibration effort. Its hot end supports up to 300 degrees Celsius for printing high-temperature materials, and the printer employs a dual Z-axis screw design for improved vertical stability. While some marketing claims cite printing speeds up to 200 mm per second, most reliable reviews emphasize that it is built with robustness and material flexibility in mind, rather than continuously pushing extreme speeds. Number 3. ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus is a large-format, high-speed FDM 3D printer offering a 320 by 320 by 385 mm build volume and printing speeds up to 500 mm per second thanks to its pre-installed Clipper firmware. It comes with a 300 degrees Celsius high-temperature nozzle and a dual-gear direct drive extruder, allowing reliable printing with a wide range of materials including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, ASA, and nylon. For accuracy, it uses an 11 by 11 auto bed leveling system, 121 points, to ensure consistent first layers, while features like a magnetic PEI build surface, filament runout sensor, and power loss recovery enhance reliability and ease of use. Connectivity is flexible with Wi-Fi and USB options, and the intuitive touchscreen interface simplifies operation. Overall, the Neptune 4 Plus combines large build capacity, speed, and material versatility, making it an excellent choice for makers who want fast, stable, and high-quality 3D printing at scale. Number 4. Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D Printer. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is a highly automated and precision-oriented FDM 3D printer that supports multicolor printing, with the optional AMS light add-on, and promises a setup time of about 20 minutes thanks to its mostly pre-assembled and tuned design. It features full auto calibration, including Z-offset, bed leveling, vibration resonance, nozzle pressure, and belt tension, so you don't need to do tedious manual tuning. For accuracy and extrusion, it has active flow rate compensation via an eddy current sensor that measures nozzle pressure and dynamically adjusts flow to maintain consistency. It's very quiet in operation, less than or equal to 48 dB in silent mode, thanks to active motor noise cancellation, uses full metal linear rails and bearings, and delivers high-speed printing with Core XY type motion and advanced motion control. Number 5. Bambu Lab A1 Combo. The Bambu Lab A1 Combo combines the A1 3D printer with the AMS Lite system to deliver high-speed, multicolor FDM printing in a user-friendly package. With a 256 by 256 by 256 mm build volume and a 300 degrees Celsius hot end, it supports a wide range of filaments, while the AMS Lite enables up to 4 colors or materials in a single print. The printer features full auto-calibration for Z-offset, bed leveling, vibration resonance, and nozzle pressure, along with active flow rate compensation that ensures consistent extrusion quality. Capable of speeds up to 500 mm per second with precise motion control, it also operates quietly at less than or equal to 48 dB in silent mode. Designed for quick setup and smooth operation, the A1 Combo is an excellent choice for users who want reliable, precise, and multi-material printing with minimal manual adjustment.